Hello, good day once again. It's your guy Nesto from Nest Consult. It's been a while that I recorded a video for you. Actually, we lack some resources, camera, and making it difficult for us to come online. So if it touches your heart for you to support, we'll be grateful. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoom to Vmix and Vmix to Zoom. So first of all, we start by creating a new meeting. So let's take it that you've opened our Zoom, this is our Zoom. So we click on start a new meeting. Okay, so the meeting has started. It's still connecting. Some few minutes. Okay, so when you check from the down bottom here, you've not added any camera yet. Okay, all right. So probably the Zoom meeting is ongoing. So let's go back to our Vmix. This is our Vmix. You click on add inputs. Okay, add inputs. Let's wait what is whilst it loads. Add inputs. Okay, okay. So add inputs. Then you go to desktop capture, NDI and desktop capture. And you click on local desktop capture. Okay. So we see Zoom meeting. This is the Zoom meeting that we want. You click on it. Then you click on OK. Okay. So you see that our Zoom meeting is showing here. Now we've been able to capture Zoom in Vmix. That's very simple. So now let's close this one. Let me show you how to connect Vmix to Zoom also. That one is very simple. Don't worry about this color that you are seeing. You will get it understanding very soon. Okay. Yeah. So now you go to add input again. So this time let's take it that I'm trying to play a video in Vmix or any presentation and I would like it to show in Zoom. So this is my video. I'll click on it. I'll double click on it so that it will show in. This is the video. Okay. In order for it to show in Zoom, I have to click on external. So I'll click on external. Okay. Then you see that as soon as I click on external, the video is showing in Zoom. Alright. So should in case yours is not showing, you come to this button. You click here, then make sure you select Vmix video. Please, am I okay? You click on Vmix video. When you click on it, so let's say that I want to play this video. When I click on play, you see that the video is playing Vmix also, so that your audience will see the video. Alright. Okay. So I'll pause. So I'll pause it. Okay. So should in case I want to, we've connected an external camera to Vmix and we like it to show in Zoom. If that one also is very simple, you click on add inputs. Then you click on, now I don't have any external camera yet. So let's use the webcam. I'll click on camera and I'll click on you select any other camera. Should in case you have connected any camera, you select it. This time I'm using the webcam, so I'll select this one. Okay, then I'll click on OK. Okay, so now the webcam is showing. So now I want it to show, I want it to preview here, and I'll push it to this section. Okay, let's go back to Zoom. You see that the camera is showing. That is very simple. So that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. It's very simple. So should in case you want to add a scripture to it also, it's very simple. Just like I showed you the other time in my previous video, how to add a scripture to Vmix. You can add a scripture from the desktop capture, then you push it over here, then everything will show in Zoom also. Thank you for spending your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel also. Should in case you would like to support us, we'll be ready to receive you. You can check from the details of this video to get our contact and our email address or our WhatsApp contact so they can WhatsApp me, then we take it from there. God bless you and thank you for spending your time. Bye bye.